Hi guys, Video Game Brawlers here, Peterson here, and today I'm gonna opening packs of Yugioh Legendary Duelist, 4 packs of Legendary Duelist Soulburning Volcano. I just bought at GB Hi-Fi in Melbourne Central. Okay, let's get open up. First pack first. First pack. We have Salomon Great Foxy Battling Boxer Glassjaw number 105 Battling Boxer Star Cestus Salomon Great Spinny and Volcanic Rimfire. That's a kite. That's a sorry. This is XL's card. This is a 2 cards for Yugioh and 2 cards for Soulburning. Yeah. Now, next pack here. So we have Salomon Great Gazelle, Last Counter, Salomon Great Miragestelio, Will of the Salomon Great, and Salomon Great Almira. This is 4 cards for Soulburner and 1 card for Yugioh. Now, to the next pack here. So we have Volcanic Eruption, Battling Boxer Spirits, Volcanic Doomfire. Oh, great. There we go. I've got the XL from Yu-Gi-Oh! GX. Oh my gosh. This is it. 7th Force. This is a Chinese card. One ultra rare card. I got the Yugioh's card. And 100 and number. Sorry. I got this. And here number 79, Battling Boxer Nova Kaiser. I've got this 3 cards for Yugioh and 2 cards for XO. Last pack here. So we have Volcanic Scott Tear Shot, Volcanic Shell, Wall of the Salomon Great again, Trailblaze Accelerator, and another Salomon Great Almira. This is a good card. I got those 2 cards for Soulburner and 3 cards for XL. Here. This is a great. I got this Doomfire for X's. This is Yu-Gi-Oh! GX, Yu-Gi-Oh! XLs, and Yu-Gi-Oh! Vrains. It's time to link it to the brains. I'm feeling the flow, and get your game on from Yu-Gi-Oh! GX, XL, and Vrains for Yu-Gi-Oh! Legendary Duelist Soulburning Volcanoes. Fantastic. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching, and click here to watch the Video Game Brawlers unboxing, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click here to the bell. Thanks for watching guys. See you next time. Bye.